Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janae and this is Janai's Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. As a quick reminder, this channel features content centered around food, whether that's simple recipes, viral recipes, or restaurant recommendations. And I also do product reviews. However, for the month of September, I decided to take a little break and I challenged myself to walking every day for 30 days. So we finally made it to day 30. So in this video, I'll be cooking a quick meal and then recapping days 22 through 30 with you guys, and then just sharing my thoughts on what I was calling a walk with me challenge. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please stay tuned. I think we can make it work. Everything is done. I'm gonna move out to the back patio just to get some fresh air, and then I will eat and kind of chit chat with you guys. All right, you guys, so I'm back. I am starving, so I'm gonna start making my food. I made some chicken fajitas. So simple and quick. All right, so I'm gonna share my thoughts on this 30-day walking challenge. Number one, if you're looking to do anything, whether that's walking, running, swimming, I don't know, eating healthy, going to bed on time, waking up early, just start. Set a goal for yourself and start. What I learned after committing to this for 30 days, some days were challenging and some days I didn't want to do it. And as I mentioned before, I missed 2 out of 30 days, but I gave myself some grace and I didn't beat myself up. And I found that after the first week of getting up every day and going for a walk, every day got easier. And I began to think about, this is probably the first time in a very long time that I have actually committed to doing something for myself, that I've actually invested in myself on a consistent basis. So that would be the first thing. If there's any goals that you have set for yourself or are wanting to set for yourself, or if you are wanting to embark on some type of a challenge, just start. The second thing that I learned, or my second takeaway, is that I actually enjoy walking. So going back to what I was saying before, if there's something you're challenging yourself to do, hopefully it's something that you slightly enjoy, get a little bit easier to commit to it. And then my last takeaway before I just play the clips for you guys, I eventually learned to celebrate my small wins during this challenge. For example, I kept saying that I wanted to walk for 45 minutes a day, and either 45 minutes a day or 2 miles. To be honest, I didn't accomplish that. Most mornings, as you can see in the clips, I was exhausted, primarily because I don't go to bed early enough. But I made sure I got up every day and walked, and then some days, if I couldn't get out in the morning, I'd walk in the afternoon. So my last takeaway would be not to be too hard on yourself. You may challenge yourself to something or set a goal and find that you have to pivot. Just don't give up. All right, so today is Monday, September the 22nd. If you saw my previous video, you'll know that we were in Michigan, got back today, which is Monday, and I had the day off. So I decided to do an evening walk. And the goal is going to be to walk 2 miles. So let's see if I can make that happen. It's not too hot today, surprisingly. Maybe we brought some of the cooler weather back with us, but it's not too hot. All right, you guys, so I'm going in. I made my 2 miles. All right, guys, so it is September the 23rd. So it's the 23rd day of my 30-day walking challenge. This morning I got up like 20 minutes earlier It was hard. It feels good out this morning. I think I'm gonna be able to walk for about an hour. All right, once again, it's day 23 of the 30-day walking challenge. Okay, so I was saying that today is the September 24th, so it's gonna be the 24th day of my 30-day walking challenge. 6 days left. I'm gonna walk up to this convenience store and get myself a coffee and some water for the house instead of driving. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do this morning. I have to cross this big road, which I hate crossing. Okay. So much traffic. All right, you guys, so I'm heading back. I got a coffee and some munchkins for my daughter. The walk really isn't that bad. It's about a 15, maybe 20-minute walk. It's not bad at all, and it's not hot outside. So for some reason, as I was walking this morning to the to the convenience store, it really reminded me of childhood. My mom didn't drive. She doesn't drive. And so we walked a lot of places, and a lot of times the convenience stores were very close to our home. But yeah, this morning just reminded me of childhood. Good morning, you guys. It's September 25th, so I'm on day 25 of my 30-day walking challenge. So that means there's only 5 days left. This month, it seems like this month is flying by. It feels good out today. It's actually nice and cool. I'm tired as usual, but once again, I have started looking forward to getting up and completing this walk. Okay, so on today's walk, there's a peacock. I'm not sure where the peacock came from, but I could deal with that. The other day, there was a huge loose dog out. I was just kind of walking, not paying attention, and I look up and there was a dog. Hey you guys, good afternoon. It is September 26th, so I'm on the 26th day of my 30-day walking challenge. So I didn't get a chance to get out this morning for a morning walk. I decided to do an afternoon walk. It's 12:30. I'm going to walk on my lunch break. So I have 30 minutes. I thought it was going to be hot, but it's not. If you watched the previous video, I was saying that one of the things I struggle with is consistency. And any parents watching, you know that you know yourself, and you know that there are things that you don't want to pass down, to your kids, bad habits. And that's one of the things that I am actively always trying to course correct. But, as parents, we are our children's first teachers. And so now that I have been doing this for 30 days, building a habit of walking, now my daughter is like, Mom, did you go for your walk? Mom, did you go for your walk? It feels good to be able to say yes, yes, I did go for my walk today. Because I'm really just trying to lead by example. How can I teach a thing that I'm not actively doing? Do I get it right in all aspects of my life? No. I really think documenting this journey also held me accountable as well. Guys, so I have a few minutes left. Just wanted to say, depending on when you're seeing this video, you may see it in a couple weeks, a couple months, or maybe even next year. I just hope that it inspires you to do something for yourself, to commit to something. All right, you guys, that's the end of day 26. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, September 27th, which means I'm on day 27 of my 30-day walking challenge for the month of September. Today, I am heading to Dollar General to get a few items instead of driving to the store, which is like maybe 20 minutes away. It's about a 20-minute walk. I decided to walk. I hope I don't get caught in the rain. I thought to bring my rain jacket, but I think I can make it back in time. Hey you guys, I am in the gym today, which is basically just our garage. I did not get an opportunity to go for a walk this morning. Today is September 28th. There are only 2 days left for this walking challenge that I'm doing. It is about 10 o'clock on a Sunday night, and so I'm about to get on the treadmill, but I just wanted to touch base with you guys and let you know that I am still walking. I am on day 28 of my 30-day walking challenge. I hope you guys are walking or setting some type of goal for yourself. That was the whole intent behind doing this series. And then just stay tuned for day 30. I will be recapping my experience of this challenge. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get on the treadmill. I may have to start incorporating this into my routine. I am sweating and I've only been walking for 20 minutes. My goodness. All right, you guys, good night. It is day 29. I didn't get a chance to get up this morning and go for a walk. I woke up too late, but I'm walking again on my 30-minute lunch break. So today is September 29th. I am on the 29th day of my 30-day walking challenge. I did recently get these AI meta glasses, so I'm gonna try my hand at recording my walk. Let's see how that goes. All right, so hey Meta, record. So it's recording. I'm gonna put my phone away and then you guys will get to see through, my point of view. All right, guys, so I'm back in out of the sun. That's gonna be it for day 29. I'm just drinking some water, gonna make myself an iced coffee and go ahead and get back to work. Stay tuned for tomorrow, which is day 30. I'm going to be recapping the last few days and sharing my thoughts and just making a quick meal. Then I'll be back to my primary content, which is product reviews, recipes, and restaurant recommendations. Have you seen the latest videos? I will post them here. All right, bye. All right, guys, so look at the sky, it's so pretty. All right, so I have made it to day 30 of this 30-day walking challenge, and I am so proud of myself for sticking with this. I was able to commit to doing something for 30 days, and it feels good. I've been kind of sharing things that I've learned along the way as I've been doing my walk, and committing to this and being consistent with walking is helping me to be consistent in some other areas in my life as well. So that's a win. So the plan at this time is to continue walking every day. I hope that I can finally reach my target goal, which was 2 miles a day, but that means I have to get up earlier. I've truly enjoyed walking and sharing my progress with you guys. I hope you found these videos to be encouraging. All right, you guys, so I truly hope you enjoyed days 22 through 30. I'd love to hear from you. Did you actually get out and walk during this Walk With Me challenge? And if you didn't, do you plan to start walking in the month of October? Or, as I've mentioned before, if walking isn't your thing, but this video inspired you to challenge yourself to something, connect with me. I'd love to hear. You can either send me an email at janaiskitchen@gmail.com. We can chat over in the community section, or simply leave a comment on this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.